You have told me that you are facing some difficulties in using this cutter. I'll try to explain them in this video, and after looking at it, if you face any further issues, I'll help you sort it out again. One issue that you had told me is that the wire is not going straight. It is possible that the wire might not go straight, or there is some deviation. You can see here it is not going straight into the groove. It is actually resting here. It is possible. It is primarily because this material is wood. So over a period of time, it might go through some minor changes here and there. What you need to do is you can actually bend it a little bit. You can pull it a little bit. It will get seasoned. It will get set to a particular shape over a period of time. Once it gets completely set over a year or maybe 6 months and stuff like that, you will not face any issues. So if there is some problem, you can actually lift it up, try to bend it, then see if it is going down. If it's still not going down, you can try. There won't be any major bending or stuff like that. There will be only some minor things. So for that, this is the way to correct it. So it will go through it. Another way to do it is, if you're facing that issue, you can actually hold it a little bit towards the other side and you can cut it. So that way this will get eliminated also. So that is how this problem can be sorted. The second problem you told me was that this tension is not right, that you're finding it to be very loose. What you need to do is, you need to make sure that it is pretty much tight, and for that you have to adjust this one. The more you tighten it, this is the way to tighten it. This knob can be tightened as much as it is required. This tight. If you want to loosen it, you can loosen it also, and it is loose. If you are keeping the string very loose or the wire very loose, what happens is that the cut will not be straight. It will get deviated. It will move from side to side. You will face problems with ununiform cuts and all of those problems. So always make sure that the string is tight, pretty much tight. Yeah. Make sure that it's very firm. And once it is firm, most of your problems will get solved. So this is the way you can solve that issue. Then another detail I thought I can tell you is how to change this wire. I'll take this wire off and I'll help you with putting it back. So you can loosen it completely. Okay, the string is completely pulled off. Looks like this. What you can do is, just need to, actually there is a small stud. The stud can, you can put this string through this hole, and the stud will rest comfortably here. Just in case the stud gets cut off, in that case you have to take another fresh wire that you'll have as a spare, or if we give you a full length wire, you can cut a small piece of almost this length or slightly longer than this, and then you can tie it around. You can put it around, tie it, twist it, and if it is too tight, you can hold using a cutting plier here, and this part you can twist it. This part, the left hand part here, you hold using the plier, and this one you twist so that it is fixed. And once that is done, you can run the wire through the hole, and then you put it here You need not worry about this being very tight initially. Once it is just put inside, just hold it around like this in some direction. In some direction, just do one rotation and then hold it. Just one rotation is sufficient. Then you start tightening. You don't have to use the plier or any other tool on this side, or for fixing the wire for that matter. You don't have to use a plier. The plier has to be used only for fixing the stud to the wire. Check the tension, otherwise it will snap. So yeah, this is pretty much set. So this is how to do that.